Okay, so this is just a quick one on how to stop your steering wheel cover moving about. I've got this steering wheel cover here, and when you put it on, it's a bit of movement in it when you turn corners and stuff. And the solution to that is this stuff called Gorrila mountain tape. It's basically double-sided tape. What you do is you put it all around your steering wheel. I'll show you now. So what I've done with this tape, I've put it all around the steering wheel, just in pieces. And when you put your steering wheel cover on, it will stop it from moving about. But this is my steering wheel cover here. I'm just going to put it on. Right, so obviously when you put it on, make sure you line it up right. So I've got all my tape in place. I just want to make sure all the lines, because you've got these blue lines on it, which make it look quite nice. I'm also going for white and blue theme. Yeah, so basically, put that over like that. Just grab it from the back, makes it a bit easier. And that's it, on. Right, so that's the cover on. It's not going anywhere, it's solid. You can turn corners now and it won't slip or nothing. I've had it on for about a month. It's still in the exact same place it was a month ago. Steering wheel cover, I got this from Halfords, £10. And the Gorrila tape, £4.99 from Halfords also. Yeah. Right, so that's it. Nice and short, like I said. Just remember to subscribe and like it if you liked the video. And yeah, like I said before, give me a comment on what to do next. Thanks for watching.